The Nubia Z60 Ultra. It's now official. It's a flagship with a unique camera system and for the first time on a ZTE-made device, IP68 water and dust proofing. It continues the angular design of the recent Nubia phones like Z50s Pro. Upfront is a flat 6.8-inch AMOLED screen with 1500 nits peak brightness and 120Hz refresh rate. It supports 1200Hz peak sampling rate and 2160 dimming. It has a 12 megapixel under display camera with 2.24 pixel size and 400 ppi pixel density. The UDC camera has its own display chip and AI deep sensing engine. It comes with the latest 8 Gen 3 chipset with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. You get gaming centric enhancements such as aerospace grade thermal paste, a large vapor chamber with superconducting nano carbon fiber. It has a dedicated game space and tech like super frame stabilization. The camera is the highlight. The main camera is a 50 megapixel 1 by 1.49 inch IMX 800 sensor and 35mm f1.6 optically stabilized lens. For wider shot, you have a 18mm f1.8 ultrawide with autofocus and 3-level optical stabilization. The sensor behind the ultrawide is a large 1.156-inch 50 megapixel unit. The zoom camera is a 85mm with OIS and a popular 64 megapixel OmniVision OV64B imager. It's powered by the 6000 mAh battery with 80 watt charging, which is the largest among all the flagship phones. It runs Android 14 with Nubia MyOS on top of it. It comes in a black, silver, or grey color and 4 configuration, that is 8, 256, 12, 256, 12, 512 and 16 1TB of storage. The pricing is yet to be announced. Very interesting phone, should be launched globally. I wish they can give match up to Samsung and BBK's group of 4 years of update. Then this phone will be brilliant. The battery life will be superb and the charging will also be very good.